Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change your game difficulty in Whirlwind's Meet. To change your game difficulty, first open the main menu by pressing the escape key or the corresponding key on your controller. Then go into the settings, right here. In settings, go into the game settings, right here. Then, in basic settings, you can change your combat difficulty. Beginning from story, recommended and expert, you can change those on the fly without any issues, but beware, legend and hardcore difficulties are locked and cannot be picked outside of character creation. So if you chosen a lower difficulty, you cannot change it to the legend or hardcore later. Here I will tell you about all the sub settings in different difficulties, because yes, they are different for each type of difficulty. In the story, you can change your skill display mode from simple to advanced, as showcased on the right. You can enable assist deflection or disable it. You can furthermore customize your assist deflection, so you can disable it for power attack of bosses, or enable it for normal attacks of bosses, or enable it deflection for power attacks of minions, normal attacks of minions, range attack hints. Damage numbers here can be changed from detailed to simplified, and approach cover, you can choose it from close to enable. In the recommended settings, you can still choose between skill display mode, between simple and advanced. You can turn on assist deflection, although it is closed by default, and you still get all those subsections. You can change ranged attack hints, and still change the damage numbers and approach cover settings. In expert, as stated before, you can still choose between simple and advanced. You don't have the option of assist deflection anymore. You still can get range attack hints, you can still choose between damage number simplified or detailed, and you can still enable approach cover. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe, as it helps our channel greatly.